For the past 8 weeks, I've been testing 4 windshield treatments, all applied on the same windshield at the same time with clear tape lines separating each product. I looked at how easy they are to apply, how they feel on the glass, how they bead water, and most importantly, how they hold up over time.
Glaco is quite grabby. Renex is quite slick. Let's check out. That's Ethos. And Gion is, I'd say, average.
What surprised me the most wasn't just which product won, it was how big the gap was between first place and last place. And interestingly, Renex, a product that I've casually recommended in the past, performed much better than I expected, which raised a real question about value versus performance. So in this video, I'll walk you through the install, the real water behavior, the final 8 weeks, so you can decide which product deserves your money. By the way, I'll have the links for every products and tools used and mentioned during this video in the description down below. You can use the coupon code Dogma, and that's the best way to support long-term tests just like this one. Step number 1 is going to clean the windshield on the inside. Now this is important if you have smudges inside the glass, that's going to create confusion during your application. Before applying the treatments, I thoroughly cleaned and decontaminated the windshield, polished it with a medium compound, wiped everything down with a panel prep, and taped off equal sections. Each product was then applied according to the manufacturer instructions. Product number 1 is Ethos Easy Glass Graphene Coating. So this is a true graphene coating. So in theory, this should be the best, most durable product. This is $36 for 15 mLs. So I'll have the cost per ml on the screen for you guys. This comes in this little box with a microfiber applicator, which I don't have anymore. But this is by far the easiest to apply and the most fun and rewarding. Product number 2 is Renex. This is 16 USD for a pack of 2 bottles like this, which is 16 ounce. By far the cheapest product per ml for sure. Not the easiest to apply, meaning that it is easy to apply on the glass, but the removal or the residue wipe off is not that great. You need a wet towel. You can use a glass cleaner to remove that residue once the product has been hazing on the glass. From there, you got your windshield coated. Product number 3 is Glaco Ultra by Soft99. This is 33 USD for 70 mLs. You're getting that built-in applicator here. Glaco Ultra promises up to 12 months durability. This is known as one of the best in the detailing niche world. Product number 4 is Gion Quick View, meant to be a quick and fast application of a windshield or glass treatment. This is 120 mLs for $42. Just like Glaco Ultra, this one also has that built-in applicator. This one also needs that wet wipe at the end to remove the residue, but much more easy than Renex. By the way, my friends, during that 8 weeks test, I have not used any toppers, any other hydrophobic product on the windshield. I have only used car soap and regular glass cleaner. To make it a little bit more spicy, I'm gonna apply Glaco Ultra as a standalone on the back glass by itself. All right, my friends, we're 24 hours later. So let's take a look at the initial water behavior. You can see the tape line. If this kind of test helps you out, please consider subscribing. This is really helpful for the channel. So here we are at the back where we applied Glaco Ultra. Is this still alive? So this is unwashed. So first rinse, you can see that it's not doing the best. Let's give it a wash. So the back of the car is super harsh. This is where you have all that grime vacuum coming from the back of the wheels. This is doing extremely well in my opinion. Wow. Very, very good. This car is a daily driver. This is my wife's car. She's been using the windshield wipers quite a lot, windshield washer as well. So this has been through the grime, as you can see. It hasn't been washed yet. So first off, I want to remind you that we have Glaco Ultra on the left, and you'll see that wiper stops here. So we're all aware of that. And then we have Rain-X. You can even see the tape line here. So over here we have Ethos Easy Glass, and on the far right, we have Geon Quick View. Let's give it a rinse to these 4 windshield coating / sealant. So Geon gets flooded, Ethos as well. You can tell that there's a greasy film here. We're gonna give this a quick wash. So here I have the Ethos wash mitt, which I really like, by the way. So I have some PNS car shampoo. Okay, so we're all washed up. Let's give it a rinse. Wow, Glaco Ultra is doing extremely well. Now, this is not the end. What's going to happen next might change how you see glass sealants altogether. So far, after the wash, I can see that the Ethos Easy Glass is really struggling. There's even a film left, which is really weird. But the glass does not look very translucent. I don't really like this. So you can see that Ethos film in there. And here on Rain-X, you don't have that. Yeah, that's really bizarre. First time that I see this. This probably would need a polish and a reapplication. So the Geon advertised 6 months durability, at least 6 months. We have to keep in mind that with the windshield wipers, it's going to degrade your sealant. It's still there. So for me, the Geon would need to be reapplied, the Ethos as well. So Rain-X still there, somewhat fast sheeting. And yeah, in my opinion, this would need reapplication as well. Let's look at Glaco Ultra. The wiper would come around here. Now the next step might change the results altogether. Stay tuned. So it's still pretty good. Let's give it another rinse. For me, it's clear, even at the bottom where the wiper goes for Glaco, it's still the one that performs the best. So you can see that wiper goes all the way up here for Glaco Ultra. So I'm gonna go an extra step and use DIY Detail water spot remover. Give it a try. Now, water spot removers are usually pretty good at decontaminating glass. Wipe it in. Let's wash it. Yeah, we still have that film on the Ethos side, and we have pretty much the same results. Gion is okay, and then gets flooded. Not bad. I would reapply there, like I said earlier. Ethos, I would polish and start fresh. Still there a little bit if you just spritz water. Renex, doing great as well for under 10 bucks for a bottle. And extreme performance from Glaco Ultra. Let's do a light shower. You think Renex is better than Gion? If you don't have too much water, the Gion is still doing very good in my opinion. If you face light rain, yeah, I think the Gion is more hydrophobic at this point. Yeah. If you're on a budget for the price, Renex is going to be super hard to beat. I mean, great performance for what it is. And if you're looking for the best of the best, ease of use, Glaco Ultra outperformed everyone in this test. With that being said, my friends, if you want to see the best products to use during the winter, watch this video right here.